Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to find missing tools and fix toolbar in Photoshop. Some provide full guide. So as you can see, showing it to my all toolbar, but some toolbar is missing. Some provide how can easily get back or remove or customize everything. So just drag your mouse, press on to mouse left side in this point. Okay, then you get this interface. Press on edit toolbar, showing it to your all toolbar. So this toolbar is added, already added in this section, this toolbar, and this is a missing toolbar. So if you want to add any toolbar in this section, I select this folder like I'm add to this, just long press to add in this. So now successfully add this, and again to add this, or if you want to remove from here. Okay, now remove from this and add in this section. Okay, or if you want to customize, just select this up to down. Okay, or you just move total folder in this section to up. Okay, or if you want to restore any default or reset, click on to restore default. So as you can see, now successfully restore all default. Overall setup, press on done. So that's it, that's how you can do it.